Welcome to Big Puffin Eats. It's that time of year, guys, where you're here for the perfect gift idea for the Blackstone owner in your life. Well, you're in for a treat. I've been a Blackstone owner for many years, and I am actually partnered with Blackstone. This video is not sponsored in any way, so I have some expertise in the perfect gift ideas. So let's hop right in, and I'm gonna walk you through all the ones I think will be perfect for the Blackstone owner in your life. Number one is the basting dome. This dome right here is amazing. What it's made for is steaming vegetables and melting your cheese on that Blackstone griddle. You can pick up this basting dome today for 20 bucks on Amazon. And hey, just for letting you guys know, all the links are gonna be in the description. Like I said before, this is not a sponsored video, but I do affiliate links through Amazon. So if you click the links and you buy through my Amazon store, it definitely helps out the channel. But this basting dome is a great gift this holiday season, and it's a must need for Blackstone owners. And like again, you can steam your vegetables, melt your cheese, everything a ton faster. Good gift idea for 20 to 25 bucks. Number two on the list are these Blackstone mats, and I love them. They keep my Blackstone griddle clean, and the reason why is because I set one on each side of my Blackstone. You go to the left, you go to the right, you set your spatulas, your shovels, your presses, and it won't get grease on your Blackstone side units. It gets it on the mat, and the mats are super easy to clean. This gift is a great stocking stuffer, $12.99. You throw it in the stocking, you get it on Amazon. The Blackstone owner in your life will love these as much as I do. These are number two on the list for you for this season. Hey guys, the holidays are here, and I really appreciate the support this holiday season. If you get a second, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you know when new videos come out. Let's get back into the accessories. Number three is your press. You can go square, you can go round, you can go rectangle, but who doesn't love smash burgers, smash potatoes, smash everything with your burger press? These Avanti Blackstone griddle presses are amazing. Blackstone makes them their own as well. I got these off Amazon for 22 bucks. I'm not sure the price today, but 22 bucks is a great gift because you're gonna want to smash everything on that Blackstone griddle, and your griddle owners, that your loved ones that you are buying for, will love their presses. It's like I said, square, round, rectangle, whatever you think's best. But that comes in at number three. Number four is your Blackstone Griddle 6-piece accessory kit that includes these spatulas, and they're amazing. They're great, they stay sharp, they're easy to clean. You're gonna need them when you're cooking on that Blackstone griddle. Every griddle owner needs spatulas, and why not grab these? The kit is super inexpensive at $20 to $30 on Amazon. It's 6-piece, it usually comes with multiple shovels, a scraper, multiple water bottles for your oil and your water for cleaning. The 6-piece kit, guys, is where it's at. That comes in at number four this holiday season. Number five is your Blackstone Griddle Scoop. Now this is great for chicken fried rice, medley bowls, getting big heaps of food off that griddle and onto the plates a ton faster. Now these are a little spendy, they're about $40 to $50 on Amazon. I did throw in a couple more in my store that are a little bit cheaper, about 20 to 30 bucks. If you want brand wise, Blackstone brand makes their own, that's the one I have here. $40 to $50, but it's a great buy, and it speeds everything up on your Blackstone griddle when you are cooking. The griddle owner in your life, if it's your husband, your wife, your partner, your friend, your kids, your grandparents, the scoop is what you need, and it makes everything faster. They're dishwasher safe, so they're easy to clean, and that comes in at number five on the list. Number six is the taco rack, and I don't know about you, but I love Taco Tuesday, and so does my family. So every Tuesday I'm using the taco rack. Super easy to use. You layer out each taco. You can fill them up with everybody wants. It holds about 8 different tacos. It's pretty inexpensive, 25 to 35 bucks, depending on which version you get. I've put both of them in my store. I recommend the basic one. I don't think you need to go get the pro one. If you want the pro one, that's the $35, whatever you think's best for you and your family. But the taco rack on Taco Tuesday or Taco Wednesday, whatever you want tacos, the taco rack is where it's at. There's many others I could mention, guys. I have about 50 different accessories loaded in my Amazon storefront, but these 6 are really the perfect gift ideas for new Blackstone griddle owners or old Blackstone griddle owners, or just anybody who's a Blackstone griddle owner. These are the perfect gift ideas for the holiday season. You can't go wrong. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you got for your family, and let me know your opinion. Maybe I missed something, or maybe you have questions down below. definitely let me know in the comments. But I appreciate all the support this year, and I'll catch you in the next cook.